Hi students, today we are going to see practical geometry. In geometry unit, we are going to see practical geometry. In practical geometry, in this class, we are going to see how to construct the quadrilateral. So what is mean by quadrilateral means if four sides enclosed area, any shape, four sides enclosed area, it's called quadrilateral. Okay, so how to construct a quadrilateral? So how to find the area with use of area? So this is one of the shape of quadrilateral. So this line is called diagonal. This line is called diagonal and it's denoted by D. And the distance between perpendicular distance, this distance is considered as height h1. So this distance is considered as h2. Okay, so area formula is half into diagonal into sum of the two heights. Half into diagonal into sum of the two heights. It means h1 plus h2. So area of the quadrilateral is half into d into h1 plus h2 square units. This is very important one mark question also. Maybe asked you here, fill the blanks or choose the correct answer. Questions, one more questions. So in this unit we are going to see example 5.22. 5.22. So this is the first model of construction of the quadrilateral. This is the first model of construction of the quadrilateral. The first model is if three sides and two diagonals are given. We know that this is a quadrilateral. The quadrilateral has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four sides is there. So four sides they given three sides and two diagonals. That means in two diagonals and three sides. If given how to draw a quadrilateral, this is the first model quadrilateral. Three sides and two diagonals are given. How to construct the quadrilateral. So example 5.22. Construct a quadrilateral NIC. It's nice only. So NIC. Name is NIC. Nice. So given that Ni is 4.5 centimeter and Ni 4.5 centimeter, Ic 4.3 centimeter and Ne 3.5 centimeter. These are sides, three sides of the quadrilateral. So three sides are given. Next diagonals. NC equal to 5.5 centimeter and IE equal to 5 centimeter. So how to identify that given is diagonal or sides means you can draw roughly. You can mention the name NICE. So they given NI, it's a side, and IC, it's a side, and NE also side of the quadrilateral. And next they given NC, it's a diagonal. Next IE, it's also diagonal. So they given three sides and two diagonals of the quadrilateral. So based on the given information, we are going to draw a quadrilateral. Before we are going to draw the quadrilateral, in every geometry we should first draw the rough diagram. Based on the rough diagram only, we are going to draw the fair diagram. So this is the rough diagram of the given information. So N I 4.5 centimeter. Next next IC 4.3 centimeter. So N E 3.5 centimeter. Next N C 5.5 centimeter and I E 5 centimeter. Okay. So based on the rough diagram, so we are choose our first. Draw NI. First we are going to draw. So NI. So I draw with use of scale a line segment. The 9 4.5 centimeter. With use of scale, we draw the line segment with 4.5 centimeter. Next, first I am going to draw these triangle. Okay. So next step, I see 4.3 centimeter. So with use of compass, I see 4.3 centimeter. So from my, this is N point, I point. So from my, listen carefully, from my, draw the curve, and this is IC measurement. Next step, we take NC measurement. So 5.5 centimeter. So next step, I am going to take 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so the two curves intersect at the point, this point, we give the name C. So next we join NC and IC with use of scale. So this is 4.3 centimeter. This is 5.5 centimeter. Okay, next I am going to draw the triangle, this side triangle. So this side NE 3.5 and IE 5.5. So first I will take 3.5 centimeter with use of scale and compass. 3.5 centimeter. Draw the curve. Next 5 centimeter from I. So the intersecting two curve point is called E. So next step, I am going to join NE point and IE point. NE point and IE point. So this is 5 centimeter and this one 3.5 centimeter. So next draw the line from here. So this is required quadrilateral. So this is the construction of the quadrilateral. Next we are going to find out the area of the quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral is half into diagonal. We take any diagonal. So diagonal into H1 plus H2. H1 plus H2. Okay. So listen carefully how to draw H1 and H2. It's very important. Many students confuse with draw the H1 and H2. So square set I am using here. So I place the scale in diagonal. I place the scale in diagonal with use of square set. So from here, so the vertices meet the here. So I draw the line here. So this measurement is, you will get 2.4 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, you can turn your class up and try it, no problem. But in this board, I am going to draw like that. So here, the vertices meter set here. So this is H1. H2 value is 3.1 centimeter. If you want to measure the height with use of compass, you can take the measurement and measure in the scale how much. This is 3.1. Next from here you take the measurement H1. So you can measure this measurement with use of scale. I get 2.4. So we take any one diagonals. So I am measuring the height with use of this diagonal. Okay, that's why I take this diagonal. Suppose if you measure height from here with use of this diagonal, you can take d equal to 5.5. But I used to measure the height with use of this diagonal. That's why I take that measurement of the diagonal. So we know that from here H1 D value is 5 centimeter, H1 value 2.4 centimeter, and H2 value 3.1 centimeter. So here 1 by 2 into 5 into 2.4 plus 3.1. Here plus will come, not multiplication. Here plus, here multiplication. So equal to, so we know that 2.5, half into 5. Half of 5 is 2.5. 2.5. So 2.5 into 2.4 plus 3.1. 1 plus 4, 5. And 3 plus 2, 5. So 2.5 into 5.5. So here I used to multiplication 2.5 into 5.5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, same. So 5, 7, 3, 1. So 13.75 centimeters squared. Because area, so area should mention in the square. Okay. So this is some very important model geometry. So we know that in geometry construction of quadrilateral, so we know that 4 enclosed area is called quadrilateral. Any 4 side enclosed with the area, with this area is called quadrilateral, and area of the quadrilateral is half into d into h1 plus h2. Here d is diagonals. What we taken to measure that h1 and h2, that we take a diagonal value. So d is diagonal and h1 h2 are called h1 h2. Next we are going to construct the quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. This is the first model construction a quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. So let's see, this is the first model, example 5.22. So construct the quadrilateral. You should write the question. Here I not wrote the question, but you should write the question. Okay, before you writing the answer, you should write the question. Example 5.22. The question is construct the NIC quadrilateral and given measurements are NI equal to 4.5 centimeter, IC equal to 4.3 centimeter, NE equal to 3.5 centimeter, NC equal to 5.5 centimeter, and IE equal to 5 centimeter. And before we are going to construct the quadrilateral, use the rough diagram. So first you should write the rough diagram, because with use of rough diagram only we are going to construct the fair diagram. That's why we take first to draw the rough diagram. So by the given information, first I draw the rough diagram. So with use of rough diagram, first I construct the sides. One more time, I will explain. So first, with use of scale, first I am going to draw the line, straight line, 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter again, line 4.5 centimeter. Next, 4.3 centimeter, 4.3 centimeter from my IC is 4.3 centimeter and NC is 5.5 centimeter. NC is 5.5 centimeter. So intersecting the point is C. So next I draw or connect the N and C with a line segment and IC with a line segment. So this is 4.3 centimeter and this is 5.5 centimeter. Next I draw the side NE 3.5 centimeter, NE 3.5 centimeter. Next IE 5 centimeter, IE 5 centimeter. So IE 5 centimeter. So this is C point. Next I am going to join the points E and N. So next this line. So we have 5 centimeter. Okay, this one is 5 centimeter. Okay, based on this line
3.5 centimeter.
Based on this line, so I will draw the H1 and H2. So with use of set and scale, so we use, so from here the vertices meet the set. So here I draw the line. So this measurement is 2.4 centimeter. This is considered as H1. Okay. Similarly, so here so H2 is 3.1 centimeter. So next we are going to find the area. So we know that the area formula is half into D into H1 plus H2. So half into D value 5. Here we take diagonal 5. So H1 value 2.4, H2 value 3.1. So like cancelling 2 and 5 gives our second table. So 2.5 times of 2 is 5. So 2.5. 2.4 plus 3.1 is 5.5. So we multiply 2.5 into 5.5, we get 13.75 centimeter square is the area of the calculator. So that's all. This is your first geometry of your 8th standard. So if you have doubt, please make a call to me, I will explain. So today try to draw the exercise sums also. So this is the first model. Okay, we see you on next video. Thank you, students.